You got it. That's not very good footage, though.
Okay, okay, calm down. Ah! Okay, stop. Stop.
Put it back on the floor. Oh man, it's like when animals attack.
Dude, she has roaches on her.
Yeah, I know, it's from the fleas. No, those are not.
Those are not, then why don't you freaking get a brush and go brush her?
Because I want to just cut her hair. Duh.
I have one messed up haircut.
It's gonna be an awesome haircut. You don't even know.
Mohawk doesn't count.
Ah! Oh, stop biting me! Stop biting.
Akira. Akira. Come here.
There goes the last one.
So stupid. What's she doing?
Please.
I'm gonna log you off your Facebook.
Your face.
Oh, we're so laughing. Ready and dive.
Jump. What was that? Oh, Brian.
Nah, stop recording. She's not doing anything.
Yeah, but then when I stop recording, that's when she's gonna do something.
Are you gonna edit it?
No, because I don't have the editing stuff yet. Don't chew up my coupon. She's like snorting. I swear you should have been a pig. Stop it.